How to sign up on SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to get started and create a new wallet on SafePal, then it's super easy, so let's jump in. First of all, download and install the SafePal app on your mobile device or your tablets as well, and launch the SafePal app open. You'll come across this main welcome screen where you'll need to create a new account by tapping on Create New Wallet. If you are using the app for the first time, you can create a new wallet, add an existing wallet, or connect hardware wallet. I'm gonna click Create New Wallet for the first time since we are creating an account. Now go ahead and enter a 6-digit password. You can also choose to use long password if you want by clicking on Use Long Password at the bottom. I'm just gonna enter a 6-digit code over here. Now confirm the 6-digit code once more by typing it. Now, on the next page, you can enable Face ID or biometrics for wallet security. If you want to do that, click on Enable and scan your biometrics or Face ID. If you want to skip this step for now, tap on Skip. Now wait for your wallet to be created. The next step is to back up your new wallet. Tap the Backup Now button, and on the next page, you have two options. You can either manually back up your wallet or back up to iCloud. I'm just gonna click on Backup Manually. Go ahead and tick all of these boxes over here and click Understood. Enter your security password that you just created, and then you'll be able to see the mnemonic phrases on the next page. Write down the mnemonic phrases in a piece of a paper correctly in the correct order and keep it somewhere safe and private. Never share your mnemonic phrases with anyone. Your mnemonic phrases are the only way to recover your wallet if you lose your phone, so make sure to keep them safe. Write down the mnemonic phrases in a piece of a paper. I'm just gonna do that right now and come back to you. After writing down your 12-word backup phrases, click Next at the bottom and then select the words in the correct order from your backup. Just go fill in all of the words in the correct order by selecting them and click Verify. Once your backup is complete, click OK, and then this is your wallet's homepage. You have successfully created your new wallet and backed it up as well. Now you have your SafePal wallet ready to use. You can receive crypto, send crypto, explore tokens and features from the app. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.